Hello, in this video we will see how we can create a bootable Windows OS. I am using Windows 8 ISO file to create a bootable USB disk. So here is one application. It is called Rufus. You can download it from internet. It's free. You don't have to pay any single penny. Once you download it, and there is Windows 8 operating system which I already downloaded. So this is the Windows 8 operating system ISO file, and this is the software we will use to make a bootable pen drive. At first you need to insert your pen drive. I already inserted my pen drive on my laptop. So here we are seeing this is our pen drive, or this is the pen drive which I will use to make a bootable pen drive for Windows 8. So just go to that software location where the Rufus is there. Just double click and it will open with this warning. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes button. I'm going to press yes button and the application will be open shortly. So now we can minimize this thing. We don't need that window. So this is the main window for that Rufus application. At first we need to select the operating system. There is a button, it is called select. We just need to press here and then it will open which one we want to link to this boot sector. So from here we have to choose the desired operating system. I'm going to make Windows 8 with this option. Basically I'm going to make this pen drive as a bootable pen drive for Windows 8 operating system. So I'm going to select this ISO file, and then once I select, we need to press open button and then it will be linked over there. Here we are seeing Windows 8.1 on English x64.iso file, and here also we also need to select the pen drive. Right now I have attached only one pen drive, that's why it is showing like that. So you have to choose the pen drive which you want to make it bootable. Once you do this thing, you have to change these settings. From here, platform schema, we have to choose this option MRB, not MRB, MBR, this option. But if your computer is latest version, then you can use GPT. My computer where I will try this operating system is one of the old computer. It's like 5 years before laptop. So I'm going to choose it MRB, and then from here BIOS, we have to choose BIOS or UEFI-CSM, this option. And once everything is fine, you don't need to change this thing like file system NTFS or something like that. You can ignore it. That means the format options, you can completely ignore this part. And then we have to press the start button to start the process, so that the pen drive will be bootable Windows 8 operating system. So here it is showing another program or process is accessing this drive. Do you want to format it anyway? We have to press the yes button. Before formatting the pen drive, I want to mention one other thing. If you have some important documents on your pen drive, please take a backup, otherwise you will not be able to recover it after formatting. So make sure you back up completely if you have any file on your pen drive, I mean necessary file. Okay, so when you are ready, then you can press the yes button, then it will start formatting. Again, it is giving another warning. All the data of this pen drive will be removed once we format it, and it will not be recovered. To press the OK button to continue the installation, and here you will see the progress bar. So this is the status bar. Here it is the status bar. It will take like 2 minutes to 3 minutes. It depends on the pen drive, like data transfer speed, and also the ISO file size. Okay, so this file size is probably 4 GB or 5 GB. I forgot. I can check. Let's check. So this is the Windows 8 operating system. So it has like 4.2 GB almost. Okay, so it depends on the size also. To complete this status, once the status is finished, then you will see there will be two and this start button again will be enabled, and instead of cancel button you will see close button. I will wait till it finished, and once it is finished, then I will show you how it will look once the status bar is completely completed. So here we are seeing the pen drive has been formatted and it is ready to start the installation of Windows 8 with some other computer. That means this pen drive is now as a bootable Windows 8 drive like disk, something like that. You can insert this thing with a computer and then you can start installation the Windows 8. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily create a bootable USB pen drive for Windows 8 installation. And then once you complete this thing, we have to press this close button to close this thing. Don't press the start button. If you press the start button, it will start again from beginning till end. So I'm going to close it and let's check whether it is really installed, I mean make it bootable Windows 8 pen drive or not. So if I click here, then we'll see like this thing, and here inside it we'll see like this type of thing is there. So that's it guys. Hopefully by watching this video you can easily make a bootable USB pen drive for any version of Windows operating system. So I showed you only the Windows 8, but it is applicable for all other operating system like Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, everything. So thank you guys for watching the video.